Is it really a vacation without jet skis?
That helmet doesn't restrict your breathing or anything, does it?
No, it doesn't.
I don't know.
If I was wearing a mask, yeah, it would, but
Yeah.
nah, it
Just don't
doesn't.
want you to fall in heavy.
No.
You have to throw in water sports in the mix. So I unclipped the jet ski and I got straight to riding or skiing. I don't know what it's called. On the jet ski, I was whipping up some hand drags, sharp 180s, speed. Some jumps later in this video. And a bathroom break. My time on the jet ski was very, very fun, especially flipping it and launching myself off. But now it's time to go to the dunes on my Ultra B. We are street legal and now we are dirt legal with this flag. I got like a government style flag because it was either that or a flag that said Foxy Lady. Honestly, sport mode is way too much. So we rented the 4x4 and now we got the Ultra B. I'm following him on the Ultra B. This is my first time ever taking it out on the dunes. We are in the middle of nowhere, basically. I gotta remember to not do wheelies with the flag on the back. Alright, here we go. We are in the sand. We're following them because they have a GPS. I have no clue where I am. But anyway, we're going on sand, so let's hope I don't fall right now. Oh, hell no. Why is this so slippery? I have literally zero traction. It's like riding on ice, dude. I'm literally riding on ice. It's just like I'm drifting. I'm literally just drifting. This is all I'm doing. First dump. Everything's just orange. It's so bad because I just like randomly gain traction and it throws me off. I gotta take these rocks, dude. Yo, who invented sand, bro? This is garbage. Oh, shit. Dude. Oh, and then I just randomly gain traction. It's so sketch. Bro, what is this? What the fuck? I just know my pads are gonna be cooked when I'm done. Dirt tires on sand is worse than supermotos on dirt, bro. Alright, now this is a little bit of my skill level right here. What's on the other side? Well, nothing good, let me tell you. Are we going up there? Okay. Oh, sketchiest hill climb of my life. Oh. Oh. Respect for the dirt bikers who do this all the time. Oh my god, this is tiring. It's hard. This is worse than wheelies, bro. And wheelies are good, so that's telling you something. This ain't like Moab. I've been in Moab before. It's definitely a lot easier than this. Oh my god. Yo, I'm having too many close calls. Also, before I get a guy telling me to stand up in the comments, I don't care. I like sitting down. I dug myself in. Oh my god. What the how do they expect you to make it up this, dude? Now this flat rock, it's just refreshing. Which way did we come from? We came from somewhere. Holy crap. Holy crap. I don't know where I'm going. I I just gotta hope it's the right way. I think it's the right way. Words cannot describe how sketch this is. I mean, I guess it's alright once I get my momentum going. I'm just constantly trying to grab traction, and when it randomly does, it just launches me forward. It's super sketch. Oh, I almost just dumped it right there. Holy crap. My arms are hurting. I'm just death gripping. Because I literally have to. Look at this cliff, dude. You better not drop into this. I'm gonna have a hard time getting... Oh! Oh! The next day we flipped those side by side, so no one was hurt. I wish I got it on recording, but that's chill. Like the video and goodbye.